Philly clearance, November 7540, Papa in Atlantic, I'm ready to taxi, am I going to ground?
Center 7540, Pop, Philly ground, plan on runway 27, last taxi, actually 27 right from Delta, probably work taxi, via Alpha, Delta, hold short of runway 26.
Okay, 27 right from Delta, taxi via Alpha, Delta, hold short 26, 7540, Papa.
Cessna 4 Sierra, popping cross right 27 right, I'm sorry, cross right 26, and then taxi runway 27 right at Delta.
Okay, cross 26, taxi 27 right to Delta, 7540, Papa.
Sierra Papa, contact the tower when you're ready on 118.5.
Tower 118.5, thank you, 7540, Papa. Philly Tower, November 7540, Papa, ready to go, 27 right to Delta.
Cessna 754 Sierra Pop, Philly Tower, wind is 330 on departure, fly runway heading for now, runway 27 right at Delta, clear for takeoff.
Okay, runway heading on departure, clear for takeoff, 7540, Papa. Alright, my friends, we're going. This is where the big guys are. Airspeed is live. We go, rotation speed, that was clear. Alright guys, look up. Check this out. Philadelphia Airport, unbelievable, 74 knots. Climbing at 6. Runway heading.
And Tower American, Medevac American 212.
Medevac American 212, Philly Tower 27 left, line of await.
Line of await 27 left American. Medevac American.
You can see the runway down there. Long runway. Okay, 1002 checklist. Nav goes off, taxi goes off, strong speed on.
Medevac American 212, tap just off the departure ends of Cessna. They're going straight off the runway. On departure, turn left heading 230, runway 27 left, clear for takeoff.
Heading 230, we're looking for the traffic, clear for takeoff, American. Medevac American 212.
Course here, probably continue that heading for now. Maintain 3,000. How about you on course here shortly?
Sounds good. Keep the heading 3000, 7540, Papa.
For 4 Sierra Pop, you traffic off your left about a mile to the south. They're southbound now, climbing out of 1400. It's a Boeing, it's an Airbus 319. You can contact departure on that present heading.
Okay, I got him, and I'll contact departure. What's the frequency for that?
You can give him a call 124.35, 2435.
2435, thank you, 740, Papa.